door 6.
Here we go. Okay guys, so we made it to our destination. I'm getting ready to do a little room tour right quick before we get settled. When you first walk in, it's the bathroom. These floors are sticky, sound sticky, so this is the bathroom. Hey everyone, how y'all doing? And plus I gotta put my phone back on the charger because my battery went low because of GPS, but yeah, this is the bathroom. Nice little stand-up shower. The toilet. And this is the sink area here. Sink area here. Guess where you can do your makeup and stuff or whatever. Okay, so here's the beds. I guess my mama gonna sleep here. And me and Miracle gonna sleep right here probably.
That'll be cool.
Then this is the TV area. Okay, so we got a little kitchenette area here. Sorry, the lighting is real dim up in here. Here's the kitchenette. We got a full-size refrigerator, a sink, microwave, and 2 stovetop. That's
they do got an extra blanket. Thank the Lord.
Got extra blanket. Then it's the little seating area over here. Okay, and then we got oceanfront. Yay!
They got pots and pans on it.
They got pots and pans. And this is the ocean area. This is beautiful. So, yeah. Really nice. Out as far as the eye can see. This is a view of the room from the balcony. Just trying to get a view for you guys.
This our car.
That's my mama. So say hey to the camera, Mom.
Hey.
We get ready to get wind down. I need to charge my phone. We got to get settled in now. Okay, guys, so that's my little room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Everything's been cool so far. The drive down was sweet. We had a good time driving down, and yeah, we about to enjoy this little vacation. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon.
Got nice pots and pans. Take a picture.
The couch pull out. So Miracle, I can lay on the couch if you want me to. I don't gotta sleep in the bed with you if you want me to. But it's fully stocked in here, ain't it?
What's up, nice?
Oh, nothing. A picture.
Pots and pans down there. Nice pots and pans. All right, you got a can opener.
I got some bleach, so we need to sit in there some water and some bleach. And we're not even in here. Yeah. I wish it had an oven. I meant to bring the
They got 2 eyes.
I meant to bring the pizza maker.
Even got a colander. I'm scared of y'all. Beautiful.
Let's take those down later.
Oh, it is really pretty.
You like the colors?
Goatee. What you
That ain't no
think?
dress. That's a gown, ain't it? That's a gown.
I could wear some leggings with it. People wear these in the streets too now. They said,
Okay.
Lord, look at Allison came up in here in her nightgown.
You like them, Mom? You like your stuff?
I love it.
All right, Miracle, look at your stuff.
Oh,
I
my
blocked
God,
down.
like an old one. That's all right. It is what it is.
Yeah, Mama don't want me to record her because she ain't got her teeth in her mouth, but it's all good.
And you got to tell them.
I mean, you gotta relax.
All 3 of us got one. Look.
Yeah. Yep, Mama got one too.
Beautiful, honey. Oh.
Why you got me some Crocs?
Yeah.
What?
Crocs?
I was not expecting.
Go ahead to your grandma. They gonna fit because I can look at them and tell you.
You got
All
me. They're
right.
a little big. Hold on.
You know Crocs be wide.
Oh, you got me some.
You happy, Pooh?
Let me
I
see-
knew
let
you
me
had
put
been
my-
wanting some,
Let me
so I was like,
let me put my foot in one of them. You might have to get the narrow kind. Let me see.
The narrow kind. I think they all the same.
What size is this?
They
An
look
8
like a
men's and a 10 women's.
Bring it over
Well, when
here.
I walk, it's fine. Okay, never mind. They fine.
You
Let me-
sure?
let me put
I
my
mean, we
foot
can
in.
exchange them for another size if you need
Every
to.
time we exchange is a problem. It's fine.
It is a problem. Because we had
Your
exchanged her vans 3
Your
different
feet
times.
long, but they narrow. Ooh, it do feel good.
This foot bigger than the other one.
Well, let me buy them off you.
No,
She can take the money and buy you another pair.
I don't need another pair.
You just said that one bigger than this one.
It's
Let me
fine.
see. Let me see. It's fine.
I can't believe I got some.
We got some. Oh God. Oh God, they feel good.
Okay, Grandma.
I got you, Dub, because I know your skin is sensitive, so.
Oh yeah, my mom told me my skin broke out from that iris. Ain't that sad? We
From
used
which
that for
one?
years. The Irish Spring one, I think.
You don't use no Irish Spring.
I used to have my dad's house.
You shouldn't be using Irish Spring.
I've been using that. Look at this. This is
Irish Springs is rough on the woman. I'm gonna tell you.
really.
Yeah.
Miracle
Oh,
stuff.
that's so pretty. I hate that miracle child. Y'all follow everything I do. I ain't think about her like that. She ain't talking about nothing.
You like your stuff, Pooh?
Yes,
All the
thank
all
you
the
so
women,
much.
all the
I'm the
women.
only one. I
That's
didn't get
pretty.
nobody to give. You got candy. She got what I give.
You, just your presence here is enough. So, this is the March 2020
nice.
girls trip. Me and Miracle and Mama
I'm
do
gonna buy y'all
at least
something.
2 trips a year
I can't wait.
together. Y'all, I love y'all.
Girl, I've been using my makeup on him. Come here.
Oh.
Need some makeup, and I got almost all of it in here. Look. What y'all laughing at?
It's Miracle selling.
See? It says 6 o'clock.
Y'all want to walk to the boardwalk? Look that way a little bit, Mom. That big Ferris wheel? That's too far. We just came back from the grocery store. But we got a couple of items to make this a home away from home. So yeah, we got some breakfast food, lunch food, some stuff for dinner, and some snacks and everything, because with everything going on with the coronavirus, we ain't gonna be going out to eat like that and going into large. Okay, so first things first, got some slushy wine coolers. Got 3 of these. Got it in peach on the beach and watermelon and strawberry daiquiri. Some chicken voila, cheesy chicken. Got a big family size pack of that. We got some eggs because my mama gonna cook us breakfast in the morning. You say you was gonna cook breakfast? She looking like, no I ain't. And I got 3 things of cheese rice-a-roni. Got some water. Got 3 things of water. Got some spinach. Y'all know how I love my spinach. That's my tried and true. And got some cheese. Some lettuce. Some blueberries. We got some bread. Mom, you want the bread in the refrigerator? Put the bread in the refrigerator. We got some mayonnaise. And we got some mustard. Cranberry juice. We got 2 things of turkey sausage. We got some frozen meals. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff, but it's gonna last us, so it seems like it's a lot, but it really ain't. Got some strawberries. We got some trail mix. The fruit salad. That's what we gonna have for like a snack. Then we got some lunch meat. What's this? We got ham, bologna, turkey, and cheese, because my mama gonna make us some sandwiches too.
Why mama gonna do that?
We got some chips to go with our sandwiches. We got some oatmeal cookies. Got some lemon frost cookies. Frozen meals, butter. And we got some tomatoes. That concludes the grocery haul, y'all. So, what we get ready to do now is just take a load off and just wind down from the day, because we have traveled and had to check in the room and go out to the grocery store, find our way around and come back. And we're a little tired because the hotel we staying at, the parking deck is like a block away. It's actually 2 blocks away. My mom, she's gonna get up and cook us breakfast. And then we're gonna decide what we wanna do depending on the weather. I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow. And plus it's a little chilly outside too. So we're gonna see what the weather and stuff look like. Go ahead and wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new here, I hope you come back for more videos. Please subscribe and become a chat partner. That's Mama's phone. Get Grandma her phone. It's over there by the lamp. Like I was saying, if you're new here, welcome. I hope you subscribe to my channel to become a chat partner. If you are a returning chat partner, I really appreciate your support. Thank you guys for watching my videos. As always, you guys are great. Be safe, take care, and stay blessed. Bye, guys.